What's up? Anyhow, it's the Mr. Bass. Woo! That's right. Older couples lifestyle. That's right. And why is it older couple lifestyle? That way we can have random stuff on our channel. That's right. But anyhow, oh, brothers and sisters, I gotta agree. I think the lady outworked me the other day. What do you think? What do you think? As you watch this, you post in the comments below, do women work harder than men? Woo! Because she shaked it for me and said, if you don't start acting and helping, beast, you ain't gonna get any of this booty. And you know what? So I started working really hard. I started cleaning the freaking mud. I started bucketing in the rocks. I started throwing rocks upstairs and carrying them outside. And you know what? At the end of the day, I said, all right, I'm ready. I helped. And you know what she said? I got a sore back. Does that ever happen to you all? I got a sore back. I said, I'll give you a massage. You ain't getting frisky with me, beast. You ain't getting frisky. That's right, because she still did. She outperformed the beast. So when I started editing this video, I saw that she did work harder than the beast. You let me know in the comments below if you think she worked harder than the beast, or did the beast work harder? Woo! I hope I get more comments saying I worked harder. That way maybe I'll win this bet, but I think I'm going to lose because she did take out all those rocks, all that concrete, all those buckets of mud, and a 5+ hour day in this basement, this man cave. Woo! She outperformed the beast. Anyhow, let's get on with this video, finish it up, and let you all watch it. Let me know on this Saturday, Sunday, whenever you watch this, do women work harder than men? Woo! Crazy, I know. But you know what? I don't know. What do you think? What's up, everybody? I thought I'd take a moment to pause this so you can see what I'm doing. You got a glimpse of the start. We busted out the concrete, of course, down to the footing. Now what I'm doing is cleaning up a lot of the concrete, the edges, all the way down, so that way I can dig down to the bottom of the footing. Not past the bottom of the footing, but to the bottom of the footing. And then, of course, put all my clean rock and fabric and everything else as you see that. As we go in the process, I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading all this. And then, of course, I got to drill weeping holes in my concrete blocks, lay down my corrugated pipe, and all kinds of stuff, But we still have a lot of water in this basement. I'm constantly sucking up water and taking it over until I can get my pit in. It's a one-man show with the miss helping me carry out buckets and stone and rock and stuff. I have, if you did miss that video, of course, that's like a giant strainer over there. That's why it's still half full of water. And then, of course, I have to rinse it out every so many buckets of 16-gallon shop vacs and clean it so that way there's no debris inside my drainage line. So anyhow, I'm going to move you on over here now and clean up this damn mess. Bucket after bucket, and then when we're done with that, we got to start digging like a son of a bitch. But I'm hoping to get some of this stuff dry before I have to dig a lot.